Hi everybody, I'm Maggie McNichol and I found Nicole a few years ago. I love her summertime choir. I have a great time every time I do it. I not only learn stuff, but I make wonderful friends and my experiences have been nothing but wonderful. I can't recommend it more. It's fabulous. It's so much fun. Come on out. I'd love to meet you.
Hi, I'm Andrea, and I also joined the summer choir and fall choir, and I absolutely loved it. I had the best time. I got to meet Maggie, which was great. I got to meet other singers that just love music, and I learned to be better at performing. I learned about musical notation, and we just had the best time, and it was a lot of fun. So come on out and join summer choir.